There's a lot of money online in today's world, guys. A lot of money. So if you want to make some, I have a strategy for you today, which is excellent. Okay, I think you're gonna like it as much as I do. So just follow the steps, hit subscribe, and let's go and do it. Now, we're going to get the money today from just reading, okay? You can work from home. So basically, anyone can do this. If you know how to read, you can get the money with this. And of course, you work on your own schedule, okay? You can live anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter. Your location doesn't matter because this website works everywhere. So this one is called Hire Scene, okay? So Hire Scene is a something like freelancer platform, and you can just find a lot of work in here. What I like about this website is that it is easy to do the work. Okay, you can work online or offline, so you don't have to have internet connection at all times, and they got just good payout rates, guys. And you don't wait for your money at all. I don't like when I have to wait for my money, and some of those websites out there, you know how it goes. This has timely payments, so maybe you can get paid once per week, once per month. It is your choice. And you can see that you have a lot of these categories here. So, for example, you have some typing work, you have some designing work, and you have some paid survey jobs. Of course, you can choose whatever you want. If you have some designing skills, if you are a creative person, you can just involve yourself into these. But if you just want to type on a keyboard, you can just get $4 to $6 per page. Now, this depends how fast you can actually type, okay? So, how much time do you need to type that page out? And you're going to get from $4 to $6 per each one of those. Of course, it's not going to be like thousands of dollars each day, but this is a good side hustle, which anyone can do, right? You only need to have a keyboard. If you decide on typing, for example, you can click on type and work, and you will have all the necessary information. So you can see that you just have to sign up, and that's going to be easy. I'm not going to waste your time with it. And you can see that there are two types of these. So there is online type and job, as you can see, and there is offline type and job, which is you don't need to be online. You don't have to connect to the internet, so you can do wherever, okay? You can go in mountains and you can type there, and when you get back home, you just upload it. It's an easy work. You just type, but this is only one option. Now, if you would like to do some surveys, and if you like to just click with your mouse and answer different questions, this is a cool thing. So you can become online survey panelist, and you can see that they have hundreds of panels, okay? And basically this will go in a way, the more time you invest in this, the more money you can get. Now you have some technical requirements here, and you can see that what panelist must be having. So minimum 16 years old or above, good internet knowledge, elementary typing skills, and computer with up-to-date software, that's just Windows. And you can see you have some responsibilities, and if you apply, you should be taking survey as soon as it arrives in inbox, and you should supply honest answers to all the questions, okay? Read a question carefully, and what you should do as well, and what I found to work best, is that if you complete your profile on your dashboard, you will receive better paying surveys, because then they know your demographic information, and then they give you the best ones. So you can see that you can get $5 to $50 per every survey that you complete. Now, this is a fun fact. It will successfully exceed the US average hourly wage for translator. Okay, so you can just get a lot of money, guys. And if you live outside the US, this is even more money for you because there is a lower standard anywhere else. And of course, flexible hours. You don't have to stick from 9 to 5. And the application procedure is really, really easy. You can just click on Become a Survey Panelist. Now, for the other website that I wanted to show you, this is Talent Desire. And the jobs that these guys offer are various. They have even more jobs. So you can see that there are online proofreading jobs, and that's where reading comes into play. You have some blogging jobs, you have some language translation, and you have survey jobs here as well. Of course, there is content writing and online typing jobs on this website as well, but this is what I want to show you on this website. If you want to read something and get the money for that, you have these beautiful online proofreading jobs on this website, and as they say, it's a wonderful way to earn money with your fingers and of course eyes. You're gonna read something. proofreaders are just reading something and they look out for mistakes, right? And you can see that you can get a lot of money per year. And you can see that this will translate into $700 per month, guys, if you just work on it. Okay, so $700. If you like $700 per month, guys, hit that subscribe. Well, I know I do like $700 per month for actually doing nothing. And of course, once you come in here, you're going to be the beginner, okay? But later, as you progress, you're going to go to experts, and then your price per word is going to increase. And I have a tool for this, and you can just use it to help you, and it is called Grammarly. Okay, so when you tap in Grammarly and you go inside of it, you can just paste your text in the box. Okay, so if you click on Get Grammarly, you can even download this one as a extension for the browser or the app itself. So just make yourself an account, and when you get that text, you will just have to paste that. Okay, you paste that, and it's gonna show you what mistakes are in there. So this is just a tool which is gonna get the work done easier. If you want to involve yourself into this, you just have to scroll down to the bottom of the page where you will see this button, Apply Now. Click on that, and then you have to select an application form. Click on the application form, scroll down a bit more, and choose Online Application Form if you've got internet connection right now, and click on this. Fill in your details to apply and work with us. Click on that, and then just complete this simple information about yourself. That's going to be easy. You can see this works anywhere in the world. If your country is on this list, you can do it. And that's it, guys. You just complete this. Of course, you can choose your payment method. You have a few of these, and then just complete the CAPTCHA, click on Submit, and start working. But of course, do not forget HireScene. This is another website, another source of income for you. So you can just combine both of these. Okay, you can do some of the jobs here, and you can do some of the jobs on talentdesire.com. There are also survey jobs on Talent Desire, as you were able to see, but I suggest that you do surveys on HireScene because I just have better experience with surveys on the website and type in jobs. But here you can get these proofreading jobs, you can get these content writing jobs. If you like that, it's a good thing, and you have some affiliate marketing. And of course, online type in jobs, these are good on Talent Desire. I must say that these are good. You can see that this one gets you $1,100 per month, and this job on this website is not bad at all. And don't let me forget these designing jobs. They're good on HireScene, so if you feel a bit creative, you can just go and you can get this done on the website as well. But of course, my honest suggestion, use both of the websites, okay? If you want and if you have the time, you can use both. So you can just combine it, and that's two sources of income for you. You can just leave your 9-to-5 job. This is gonna take care of you guys. Of course, there won't be thousands of dollars, but there's some good money. If you work for it, there's gonna be money, guys. So just take that action, and I'll catch you.